Splash World Limited.
Hello? My name is Kevin Boami.
Yes, Kevin.
I just missed my connecting flight. Could you please put me on the next flight to Rwanda?
Okay, Kevin, I can put you on the next flight to Kigali,
Yes.
which is in 2 hours.
Yes.
You'll receive your e-ticket in a few minutes.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you for using Splash World Limited. Have a good day, sir.
Thank you so much.
Searching for a travel agency? You found one. Contact Splash World's efficient and expert team created to meet your exact needs. Prompt, accurate, and competitive, these are qualities you expect from us, which guarantees you'll only get the very best. We invite you to explore all that Splash World Limited.